Department of Environment. I would like to welcome Mr. Suresh Sir, Department of MBA, KGRT College of Technology, for the College. I welcome you, sir.
Suresh sir, please log in.
Yes, sir, your voice is not audible.
సో 11కి అయిపోతుంది 10:15 11 to 12 అవుతుంది కదా 1 అవర్ అయితే ఏబిసి సెక్షన్ వరకు తీసుకుంటే ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ బి సెక్షన్ ఈ సెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది కానీ డాటా సైన్స్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది అవి 3 సెక్షన్లు అవుతాయి అట్లా.
Sorry, sir.
Ganesh sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed, sir?
Yes, sir, you can start giving
Yes,
the
sir.
info.
Thank you. So, good morning, all the distinguished speakers, educators, researchers, and the participants from the industry and academia. You have joined us today for this one-day virtual workshop on AI tools in teaching, ChatGPT, complexity, and ADI. So, I want to give a brief about the institution at a glance, and it's like it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to this workshop, which is organized by KGRT College of Engineering and Technology in proud association with Aliva International Publications. So, I want to set a context before we start this workshop. Everybody nowadays is talking about the technology, the era of the technology where it is reshaping every facet of our lives. Education too, which is undergoing a paradigm shift. So AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and of course, we are all experiencing, we are using, and it's 100% transforming the way we teach, we learn, and engage in academic environments. So today's workshop is a step forward in equipping all the educators who have joined us with today the right tools and knowledge to harness AI effectively in their day-to-day teaching methodologies. So that's the main objective of conducting this workshop, and this workshop brings together a range of powerful tools. The expert faculty who is joining us with today from the Chennai, ma'am is going to talk about the ChatGPT, Perplexity, and AI tools, which have revolutionized content creation, especially personalized learning, and also the academic support. So our aim today is to delve into their practical applications, explore these innovative use cases, and also to empower the educators to embrace these technologies for a more enriched and interactive teaching experience. So we are honored to have with us today a distinguished expert from the academia. and also to guide us through this particular session with the demonstrations, insights, and discussions. So before we begin, I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to the KGRD College of Engineering and Technology and for their vision and initiative in organizing this workshop, and to Oliva International Publications for their valuable collaboration support, and the head of the department of MBA from KGRD College of Engineering and Technology, Ms. Chandana ma'am, and also the coordinator for this particular workshop, Mr. C. Ganesh sir, he is Assistant Professor, Department of MBA. And once again, welcome to this transformative learning experience. Let's begin with our journey into the world of AI. Thank you all, and let's welcome the guest for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. And I would
Thank
like
you,
to
sir.
welcome today's speaker. I would like to welcome today's speaker, Dr. C. Parameswari ma'am, MTech, MBA, PhD, and working as an associate professor in the Department of Information Technology, State Institute of Technology. And she is specialized in the area of object-oriented programming, project management, software engineering, image processing, and artificial intelligence. And her academic roles and responsibilities: MBA coordinator, NAC coordinator, OBE trainer, academic auditor, Infosys Campus Connect convener, class advisor, WEC member, and she has received a research grant of rupees 1 lakh from Unat Bharat Abhiyan from AI-based solution for solid waste management, and acted as a convener and chief editor of International Conference on Recent Innovation in Information and Computing Technologies and its book chapter, acted as a conference chair in International Conference of Recent Trends in Science, Energy, Engineering and Technology, and started a pilot project on solid waste management in Krishnapuram Colony, Madurai. And she has published a patent titled on development of heartbeat and temperature measuring systems for remote health nursing during pandemic COVID-19 2020, and designed an augmented intelligence-based skin cancer classification and prediction framework analysis 2024. And she has published a journal on survey of memory to protein memory and a comparative study in reduction of abnormality of human medical demographs using color image segmentation. And she has also published a book on the title of The Hidden Treasure of Adventure and the textbook on object-oriented programming. I would I welcome you, ma'am.
So good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Yeah,
morning, madam.
thank you, sir. I really want to,
Very good morning,
yeah,
ma'am.
good morning, good morning. So I really want to thank the Oliva Publications for connecting me with the college for this FTP. So really, I'm happy to connect with you, and most of you are really enthusiastic to learn the AI tools today, right? So I'm also very much interesting. Yeah, just wait. Let me connect it. Yeah. So today I'm not going to share any PPT or some contents. So today I'm going to share the tools. I'm going to demonstrate the tools to you. Is it okay for you? I don't have any PPT content or anything.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is okay.
I'm just going to
Yes, madam.
demonstrate some of the tools which might be very much useful to your teaching career. Okay, so let us start with ChatGPT. I have, I think Nilofer have given me a deep introduction, so there is no introduction needed from me, I think. So I'm Dr. Parameshwari from Sedu Institute of Technology. I have a vast experience in teaching, more than 16 years. So I think this is enough. Let us go to ChatGPT. So for any academician, the first thing we need to do is teaching. So, but before teaching, we need to be prepared for teaching. Even before the student comes, we have to be ready with our teaching materials, right? So every college has its own template for its instructional system design. So hope you have prepared your instructional system design for your subjects, right? Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So instructional system design consists of lesson plan sheets, your mind mappings, your assessment questions, your pattern for evaluating the assessments, that is your rubrics for assessments, your course outcomes to PO mappings. So these and all will be covered in your instructional system designs. This will vary for a different college with some format corrections, but the core concept is these things only. Okay. So let me start with the lesson plan. So the very first thing which we create for the class preparation is a lesson plan. Actually, we have to prepare for the whole subject. If the subject is for 45 hours, we have to prepare for a 45 hours lesson plan. And even then, we can prepare for a single lesson plan, like daily basis, in a daily basis, or in a weekly basis, or in a monthly basis. We can prepare lesson plans. So first of all, let me explain how ChatGPT can be used to prepare these lesson plans for us. So for example, I have taken two of my subjects. So one is object-oriented system design, and another one is project management and finance. So first of all, this ChatGPT, let me introduce ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will give exactly, it will research content, and it will give exactly what you are asking. So the main thing is you have to ask a correct question to get a correct answer from ChatGPT. Thus, that is the first thing. That is the first problem faced with ChatGPT, because this is a machine, right? So AI is a machine. It cannot think like us. We have to make it think like us. So we have to frame our questions in a way which it has to analyze what we are asking, and it has to reply in the way what we need. Okay, so first of all, let me explain the process of producing a lesson plan. For this, I am asking, I'm just adding my syllabus to the ChatGPT. So I have added my syllabus, this object-oriented analysis design syllabus. I'm going to ask the ChatGPT.
Ma'am, can you share your
Yeah, just wait,
screen?
just wait.
Madam, please share your screen, madam.
Yes. Is it okay? Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. I'm so sorry.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, let me do it again. So I'm going to add my syllabus into the ChatGPT. Okay. So in this way, I have added my syllabus into the ChatGPT. So even if you copy and paste the syllabus, it will work. I'm just adding the complete document to make it read it. Okay. So I'm in need of lesson plan. This word 45 hours. So இப்போ நான் என்ன prepare a lesson plan with innovative teaching as well as teaching mix. See, I have given a comment like I'm in need of lesson plan for this subject to be covered within 45 hours. I have to mention the hours so that it will prepare 45 hours lesson plan. So I'm asking ChatGPT to prepare a lesson plan with innovative teaching techniques as well as traditional teaching techniques. Like some topics can be taught using a blackboard, and some topics can be given through a innovative teaching platform, right? Can you see the lesson plan? Are you able to see the lesson plan?
Yes, ma'am.
madam.
Yes, okay. So it has given me the method as well as the activity also. For example, the first topic is just an introduction topic. So it has given me, you can use a lecture method as well as you can add a PPT. So if you want to include an innovative element, you can include a animated concept maps for this particular topic. So, and it has suggested me an activity also. If I want to know the activity, I need to copy this and I need to ask the chat GPT again, please tell me such an activity. Please tell me an activity. It will suggest the activity also. See, for all the topics, it has given me the traditional method as well as the innovative element which can be included. Can you see this? See, now it is interacting with you. It is asking you that I can also prepare a print ready tabular version with the Bloom's taxonomy mapping, assessment methods, and expected outcomes for each ever. So it's directly usable for academic submission. See how clever this chat GPT is. The next thing which we are going to ask is for Bloom's taxonomy, right? So it is asking me that shall I make it a print ready copy? If you give a print ready copy, it will generate a Microsoft Word copy or a PDF copy for directly taking printout. Okay, so let me add one more component in this, because in our institution we just follow one more component in this lesson plan, that is we used to track the particular topic in the textbook also. Okay, see why this ChatGPT is asking me this question is because I have included the course outcomes in my syllabus. Let me show the syllabus, then only you can understand. See, I have included the textbooks, I have included the reference books, I have included the course outcomes, so that it is asking me whether I can include the Bloom's taxonomy in my lesson plan or not. So that is what the input parameter, that is what the importance of input parameter. If you copy the syllabus, it will simply give you the lesson plan alone. I have copied my course outcomes as well, so that it is asking me whether I can make you a Bloom's taxonomy mapping with this particular lesson plan or not. So that you just give the information properly to ChatGPT to get the exact output from the ChatGPT. Okay. So let me ask one more question. So include page numbers, the chapter numbers. Okay. Include chapter numbers from textbook for each topic. Now page the lesson plan. So this is our format, including the page numbers, chapter numbers of textbooks and reference books in the lesson plan. So let me add textbook and the reference book. I am throwing the query to this. See now. So the topics are just mapped with the chapters in the textbooks. See, T1 is referred here as a textbook 1, chapter 1, textbook 2, chapter 1. And even reference book is also included in this particular thing. So this is a detailed lesson plan creation using a ChatGPT. So now give it in Word document. It will take some time. For getting some documents and all, it will take some time. Yeah. Now I got the OAD lesson plan. See here, I got it in a printable table format, Word format. You can simply copy this and simply you can make it, you just add it in your lesson plan. The only thing we need to do with the AI is you have to cross check it randomly. Randomly, you have to make a cross checking. In some places, these are all very basic informations because it is referring your textbooks and um, reference books. Okay, so the error probability will be very less. But in case of research and all, you have to do a cross check because ChatGPT can throw some wrong contents also. Are you able to see the Word document?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you all have a laptop? Do you all
No,
have a
ma'am.
laptop? Oh, you're
No,
attending
ma'am.
through mobile phones. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It is okay.
Yes,
After the
ma'am.
session, you just have a practice for your own subject.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So the next thing is mind map. Um, in the instructional system designs, we used to create some mind maps, right? Um, uh, I'm going to create a mind map. So I want to create a mind map for this subject. With this. So every time there is no need to upload the syllabus because you are in the current chat. It will refer the particular OAD subject for all your queries. So when you change your query, then when you change your subject, when you upload some other subject, it will go for that. Otherwise, it will refer to OAD syllabus alone. So every time there is no need to upload the syllabus again and again. Once done is enough. So now I'm going to introduce one more AI for this, for generating mind maps and for drawing some architectural diagrams. So you may be very strong in the concept, but you don't know how to draw a diagram. You may be poor in creating diagrams. For these steps, this particular mermaid AI, please make a note, mermaid. This particular mermaid AI will help you drawing a flow chart or any architectural diagram or mind maps. Anything can be done with this AI. So only for even for research papers, if you know the flow, if you know the content as a description, if you know the process, you can just type the process in the chat GPT. You can give a deep description in the chat GPT and just ask for mermaid code. You can ask the mermaid code from ChatGPT. See, I want to create a mind map for this subject. Give mermaid code. Mermaid is also free. Free of cost, you can use it. So the mermaid code is ready now. See, only thing I need to do is just copy the code, go to the editor, go to this mermaid editor. Just paste the code. So if you are getting any error, you just copy the error. AI repair option is available in the mermaid, but I think the better option is you can copy and paste the error in mermaid. Sorry, ChatGPT. It will correct it. It will correct it very soon. Yeah. So now copy it. See here. Now we got the diagram. See, I have given the complete syllabus so that the diagram seems very complex. If you select some particular topic or particular unit, you can get a very simple diagram. So this is a really a very complex mind map created by this mermaid. You can share this chart as well as you can save this diagram. You can download this diagram. Just wait. I have not signed in so that there is no option available. If I have signed in, you can simply copy and save the image. Yes. See now the export option is available. You can export us as an image. The clarity is also too good. See here. The image clarity is also too good. See, this particular mermaid is not only for this mind map. You can draw any diagram. You can draw your architectural diagrams. If you want a flow diagram, which is very complex, which has some 30 or 40 connected components, but you're not able to draw it legibly, you can use this. This is very simple. Only you have to write the description in a clear way. You have to tell which one comes first, which one comes next, what is the predecessor of the activity or what is the successor of the activity. You need to give a deep description in the ChatGPT and ask for a code of mermaid. As for the code of the mermaid, you just copy the code, you just paste it here. Even if you get any errors, just copy it and again paste it in the ChatGPT so that the errors will be corrected and the code will be refined. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you. So, so two processes are over. First one is a creation of lesson plan, and next comes the creation of mind maps. And next, very important thing is question banks, right? So the very first thing we need to do is preparation of question banks for your assessments. So when preparing the question banks, we need to be very cautious that we need to be stick on with the Bloom's levels, because every autonomous bodies are very strict with the Bloom's levels. And now we are going to prepare the question banks for this particular subject using ChatGPT. So let me take unit wise, okay? So I need question bank for unit 1. Okay, this is a simple question. If I give, I need a question bank for unit 1, simply if I give, see what answer I'm getting. See, it simply lists, it randomly produces questions, okay? But everyone is having some question format. See, now I refine my query. I need 10 2-mark questions, 5 16-mark questions. Questions from unit 1. So I have given the question pattern. Okay, I need 10 2-mark questions and 5 16-mark questions from unit 1. It refers the book because I have included the books inside the in the material or somewhere. If you are very particular that you need some content or questions from the particular textbooks, you have to specify the textbooks. Okay, right. So now I got 10 2-mark questions and 16-mark questions, number of 5. Okay, okay, right. Now I need to include Bloom's taxonomy in my questions. And I'm very particular that for the first unit, I need 2 levels. Okay. So I need 5 understand level questions. Understand level. Two-mark questions. And 3 16-mark questions. And rest of the questions from apply level. Now I have specified that I need 5 understand level question, 2-mark questions, and 3 16-mark questions, and rest of the questions from apply level. See here, so it have separated understand level questions 5, apply level questions 5. In the same way, in the 16-mark questions, 3 understand level 16-mark and 2 apply level question marks. Now I needed a printable Word file. Okay, so I need to specify the Bloom's taxonomy near the question, and I want to remove the textbook 1 chapter 1 content. Okay, so I'm going to give it to the ChatGPT. Remove textbook and chapter details in question and include Bloom's taxonomy level. error in the question. So this is what the format which I need. So for which I was supposed to give a proper query to the chat GPT, because it doesn't know if see here. So in the first query, I just asked the chat GPT to prepare a question bank. If I asked roughly prepare a question bank, it will prepare a question bank of its own choice. Okay, so then I started giving it a template, like so 10 2 marks and 5 16 marks. Then I have added a Bloom's taxonomy levels to it, and finally I have formatted the question for my wish. Okay, so prepare a word for print. It will take some time. If you're generating a word PDF or an image, it will take some time. Now see, simply we have copied all the questions in the Word. You can simply take print out for Unit 1. The same procedure can be done for Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5 as well. Is it okay? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we have prepared the question banks, which is very important in the process of teaching learning. Okay, so the next comes the one of the most important assessment, assignment. So assignments are not simple things which can be given and written on papers. So it is a traditional method. We just give some topics. The student has to search in the books, or student has to search in the net, and simply they will write and copy and submit it. So that is not a case. Hello? Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Okay. So that is not a case nowadays, because everyone is need to give some innovative assessments, some case studies to the students to make it interesting for them to study or to do the topics so that they can understand it well. Okay, outcome based education is enforced in all the places, right? In all the institutions, outcome based education is enforced, so that it is very important to give innovative assessments. And from simply I have given topic patterns from which I need an assignment. Okay. See here, the questions given by the ChatGPT are very simple. simple written statements in the paper. Only it is asking for define design pattern, classify patterns, explain singleton pattern, describe observer pattern. So this type of boring assignment questions were generated. So it has generated only one mini project question also. Implement any one design pattern in a programming language of your choice. So if I change my question, I need case studies to be given for this subject as assignment. Give questions. See here, it has generated a case study. One is library management system, online shopping system, hotel management, university course registration. Everything comes with apply and analyze level. Apply and analyze level. So now I want to include modern tool usage in this assignment. See here. So before that, simply develop a state chart, draw an activity diagram, everything comes under the apply level. So when I give the query that I need to include a modern tool usage in this assignment, completely my CO6 is usage of modern tool to design and test O applications. So I have mapped the CO6 with my assignment, so that the question is reframed that create a sequence, implement the singleton pattern for managing a global library catalog in Java using Eclipse versus Eclipse or VS Code. So this question completely directly mapped with the usage of modern tool. And this question is, in this particular component is also mapped with the modern tool, draw.io. It has specified the tool usage in the question itself. You can specify the tool usage. See, it will generate the question alone. If you want Bloom's taxonomy level to be mapped with your question, you have to specify that. For example, in this particular case study, I have mapped apply, analyze, as well as a modern tool usage with this case study. See, sometimes we need to give different questions to different group of students. So for this particular thing, it has generated the 5 case studies, right? So I need 10 different case studies. I'm just refining my queries. So I'm just refining the pattern of ChatGPT searches. See here. So the ChatGPT has listed me 10 different case studies so that you can give these 10 different case studies to 10 different group of students. Okay. So is it okay? Does anyone have any queries in generating case studies or innovative assignments or assessments? Still more in this topic. I'm just asking about generating questions. Any queries? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next step is to create rubrics for this particular assignment. Rubrics are nothing but a scale to measure a particular assessment, right? So every student is different, every answer is different. To match it to a same scale, we are using rubrics. Right. This case study. Simply I'm giving, I need rubrics for this case study. Okay, right. Simply it has generated a rubrics with 25 marks. But if I'm stick on to the marks, I need rubrics for 50 marks. Type, analyze, and modern tool components, because we have included these three components in the questions. See here. So you can copy this with a printable Word format. See, now we have created the rubrics. Even the ChatGPT has given assessment notes for faculty, how you can assess this particular case study. It has instructed you to follow the suggestions also. See here, all UML diagrams should be tool generated, because we are very particular that we have to include the modern tool usage, right? So it should not be hand-drawn. No hand-drawn diagrams are allowed. And you can include these steps in the question itself. You can make it as a note in the question itself. So do you have any doubt, doubt in the creation of rubrics? You have any doubts in the creation of rubrics? If there is no doubt, we can move to the next topic. So next thing is the content generation, right? For teaching, we may be using a Blackboard teaching as well as PowerPoint slides. For making use of the ICT tools, we can use this ChatGPT in an efficient way. So we can create creative PPTs using this ChatGPT for our teaching. Let me tell you how you can create your PPTs here. So for this particular creation of PPTs, I'm using one more tool. It is Gamma AI. Gamma AI tool is specifically used for PPT creations. You can create your professional PPTs, your teaching PPTs, your professional PPTs, or any type of PPTs can be prepared using this Gamma AI. It has a large or a vast quantity of templates available. You can create the content even with this AI feature. You can create your content in this AI feature, or else you can create the PPT content in ChatGPT and just copy it to a blank slide in Gamma, so that making it easier. Let me show you both the ways. Okay. So prepare PPT content the topic component YAML diagrams. We start from basics of object-oriented analysis and design. So it will create a PPT of its own. ChatGPT will create a PPT of its own. Present slide. Yeah. You can download this PPT as well. But it is very simpler, right? So ChatGPT will be generating very simple contents in the PPT so that you can use Gamma AI. So now I have a login to the Gamma AI. You just start it from new from blank. Please make a note gamma.app. See here. I'm just uploading the plain PPT generated by ChatGPT. You can have some design templates. Instructions. Use design templates. Directions to make it Are you able to see the PPT? Yeah. So now you can see the changes which was made by Gamma app with your simple content. It is very simple, right? It was very simple when it was prepared by the ChatGPT. The content was very simpler. But now see the PPT, which is much more interesting, right? So even you can generate this particular PPT using Gamma AI also. We have just copied the content from ChatGPT and we have uploaded the particular PPT and made corrections. Or else you can do this with a prompt. Subject. Simply it will create 10 cards. Okay. You can specify the card numbers also. The prompt I have given is 10 cards. If you are increasing the card numbers, you have to be a paid customer. So for even 10 cards, it is much more simpler. You can log in with your different IDs to generate 10 cards, and you can club the PPT as well. It is simple choice.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Yes, sir. See here, the Gamma app is generating the PPT by its own. So previously, we have prepared the PPT using ChatGPT and refined it with the Gamma app. And now the Gamma is itself is generating the PPT its own style. Okay. So you can either create it with the ChatGPT, Gamma, or some LMS systems are there. I think if time permits, I will teach you one LMS system. That LMS system will also generate PPTs for your classroom teachings. See here. So when you are very particular about the topics in the textbook, you have to include the textbook also. You have to specify the topics as well as the textbooks from where it can be referred, and a creation of PPT can be done with the help of the textbook content. Okay. So I think this is okay with the PPT content. So there is a lot more to explore ChatGPT. Let me stop here about ChatGPT because we are running out of time. Still, I need to go with the perplexity also. So there are a lot of things to do with the ChatGPT, and you can create some gaming approach with the ChatGPT. You can create some quizzes. Or game-based word games or crossword games through this particular ChatGPT. So let me show you only one example, okay? One example for this, and we can move to perplexity. Create Exit game. Okay, so let me show this word search game in some other AI. Just wait. Just wait. One more LMS is there. Teachy.ai. Teachy.ai. This teachy.ai is a LMS where you can do all these steps: creation of lesson plan, creation of course material, creation of innovative assessments, creation of quizzes, everything, slide presentation, everything can be done in this particular LMS. This is somewhat like your Google Classroom approach, where you have to create a class. You have to add your members. Your students will be added as members to this class. You will be a teacher in this particular class. So daily bonus will be added like this type. Initially, the credits will be 500 or something else. So I'm daily login. If I'm daily login, I will get 200 streaks. So I have to add it and I have to generate materials using these streaks. I have to pay these streaks for every material I create. So for this much of time, I never paid Teachy because I'm using the free streaks alone. Okay, so let me generate this crossword. So I'm going to submit a topic for this Teachy. Just wait. So I'm taking a project management and finance subject. I'm going to create this game for Unit 3. Okay, resource scheduling and critical change scheduling topic. So I'm just copying the particular syllabus, particular topics from the Unit 3. I'm just pasting it. So create crossword with these topics. See here, my crossword has been prepared in seconds. Yeah. Are you able to see? Are you able to see the crossword? Am I audible? I'm getting some random sounds, but there is no answer for my questions. Really, I'm a bit confused whether I'm
Yes,
audible
madam.
or not. Okay, thank you. So this is a problem with me because I don't like online classes. I like only live sessions because I need to watch audiences interestingly watching the topics and interestingly doing the same whether they are systems or with the paper or pen, something else need to be done. Because in this online platform, we don't know whether the participants are listening or not. That is why I'm asking you again and again whether am I audible. Okay, so
Yes, madam.
yeah, okay,
You're audible.
okay, don't mind. So this is the crossword generated by teaching data. You can simply download it. You can simply share it with your classrooms. Because I said you can add your students as well in this classroom. If you share this particular game will be shared to all the students for solving. In the same they can solve the crossword and submit it in this classroom as well. Okay. So I have downloaded this. If I want to take a printout, then I can give it to students and I can, if I want a file copy to file in for my references, I can take a printout of this crosswords.
Sir.
So in the same way, you can create quizzes also using Teachy Data app. Some like quizzes will be there where you can share the code for the quiz. The student has to log in with their code, and the student has to play as a team or as individuals. They have to click on the answers lively, and the updations or marks and posts will be generated immediately.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, very good afternoon. Actually, the topics which is explained is too good,
Yes.
and we are entering into the new world of AI.
Okay.
My doubt is that
Ah.
we are still using ChatGPT and not
Okay.
like this,
Ah.
but when we are actually asking for something advanced one, no, it is telling that your limit is over. So my question is like, for example, right now you are showing that you are reached your data limit analysis. So any AI tool, is it available for using it continuously?
Sir, every AI tool is limited for some contents. Okay, so even I have logged in with the Chat GPT. If you are logged in with Chat GPT, you can use it for much more time. See, I'm using it with free option only. So I have generated this much of content using free login only, sir. Sir, one more option I can tell you that you can create 3 or 4 mail IDs, sir. That is a
Okay,
simpler
fine, fine.
option for without paying. You can use ChatGPT.
Got it, got it.
Yes, sir. So, but
Thank you, ma'am.
most of the online AI tools are asking for money,
Yeah,
with some limited options only. But ChatGPT is it is okay, sir. You can use it for more much time.
understand.
Yes.
What is happening, when we are using some diagrams, I'm asking diagrams after within few minutes, it will take that today's limit is over. You can log in tomorrow at
Yes,
this time, like
yes.
that.
But when you generate diagrams, this is a problem. I said, when you're generating some architecture or some technical diagrams, you just go for that particular app. I said Mermaid.
Okay, ma'am.
Many such apps are available, sir. If you search, yes,
Okay, okay, ma'am.
yes, sir. You can use Gemini as well, sir. You can use
Yeah, sure.
Gemini as well for the alternate. And now shall we see Perplexity AI? Which means let me start with Perplexity because we don't have much time. If we speak about ChatGPT, we can speak it for an entire day. It has a lot of options and there are a lot of tools, 100 plus tools. There are a lot of tools, but efficient tools or 100 plus tools, which makes you a simpler your teaching learning process to be simpler and your research experience to be simpler also. So when you consider ChatGPT, it will gather informations, it will collect informations, and it consolidates you. Whatever you ask, it just consolidates the informations available all over the net and collect it and answer it. Okay, but when coming to Perplexity AI, Perplexity is mainly, especially for research purpose. If you want a live update on a particular topic, or if you want to go for a research on a particular topic, you can use this Perplexity AI. So when you are going for academics, like you are referring your textbooks or you want an assignment questions, the better choice is ChatGPT when comparing to Perplexity. But if you want to give a real-time example, okay. So now I am giving. So I need okay, 3 case studies of 2025 on risk management. Consolidated. I need 3 case studies of 2025 on risk management. Topics. Consolidated. See, I have asked the Perplexity about 3 case studies, so which are mainly on the year 2025 only. So it has to search for the real world problems, real world cases which happened in the year 2025 in the particular topic, risk analysis or risk management. See here. So the main advantage of Perplexity is whatever the topic you ask, it will generate the content with reference. It will give the reference and it will give citations as well. So this is the main advantage of Perplexity over ChatGPT. So it will consolidate the details. ChatGPT will consolidate the details of its own and display it. But Perplexity will generate content based on the research and citations. See here. So the 3 case studies are displayed. It highlights the outcomes and it highlights the risk management innovations which happened in the 3 case study, so that you can give this content to some students. Even if you ask some students to write important, you just compare 3 different case studies which handle the risk in different styles. You just compare the 3 risk management strategies and write an assignment. Even if you ask questions to the students, even they can search the Perplexity for the answer in this way. Okay, so that's all about academics in Perplexity. But if you're interested in doing research with the Perplexity, so you have a lot of options. So let me show you. So I'm interested. Sorry, my area of interest is image processing. So give me the avenues for research in this field. So I'm giving my area of interest is image processing. Give me the avenues for research in this field. See here, I have not specified that. I have not specified anything. Simply it has chosen the area of interest which are blooming in 2025. So artificial intelligence, deep learning, convolutional neural net, generative adversarial networks, real-time edge computing. These are all the major domains listed. If you want to scrutinize it to okay. So which one is Mm. Gaining popularity. Okay. So now it listed the popular topics. So see, these are all the topics which are gaining popularity in the research area. Okay, right. So now I want to generate a problem statement on this particular topic. So generative model and AI based synthesis. I have just scrolled down. It just copied the content in the prompt window. So give me the problem statement referring some research papers in 2025 in the area. Okay, see here. Simply it has given the problem statement. It has given you a title also, enhancing robustness and the practical applicability of generative adversarial networks for real world image synthesis. See here, if you see the reference papers will be listed. See here, it will show the link also along with the content. So this is the important advantage of Perplexity. See here, you can simply open the content and you can see whether the generated content is correct or not. See here, it includes the citation as well as reference in the content generation. Okay, so every paper it collected is from 2025 only, because I have mentioned as please collect some research topics from 2025 and please formulate a problem statement. If you want to do literature survey on this particular topic, you can do literature survey on the recent papers. See here, it is generating the literature surveys on this particular topic, even with the link, even with the reference link. You have to open the link, you have to read the paper, and you have to cite it. The only thing with all the AIs is you have to cross check the content generator, because you should not copy the content. It is simplifying your work, right? So even if you go to Google Scholar, you just type a topic and you have to download 50 or 100 papers. You have to read all the 50 papers and you have to search for the research avenues in all the 50 papers, and you have to find the problem statement. But it has simplified your work. It has simply brought the a very recent problem statement which is available open. This is an unsolved problem. So it has generated the unsolved problem statement to you. All you need to do is you have to cross check with the references it is listing. As listing all the references, you just click it, you just go to the paper, whether the content, whether this content generated by this Perplexity is right or wrong is to be verified with you. So use the AI, generative AIs as your subordinates or your assistants. Please don't make it master yourself, because generative AIs are machines. not humans. You are the humans. You are going to rule the AIs. So you just use it as your assistant because we are the master of the subjects. Sometimes it may generate some wrong contents. If it generates wrong contents, you just give the prompt as, see, I have found this thing wrong. You can simply note the chat GPT as it is wrong in this particular context. If you are mentioning it as wrong, it will correct itself because it is learning from our prompts only. Okay, so you just change your prompt for getting right answers because it can't understand our prompts. So we have to be very specific with our prompts. If I want some answer, I need to give questions which are relevant to my answers, so that my chat GPT can give me a correct answers. So that is the only case with the only problem with chat GPT. So one more research tool. So if you're interested, I can show you one more research tool like Perplexity. So the tool is Clue2. So this is also one AI assistant. This tool will also generate research problems. It will do literature surveys for you. It will reframe your contents. There is some problem. Yes. Clue2 also has a free version. You can search it with different IDs. If you have 3 or 4 mails, it is enough. And you can pay these chat GPT or something with some limited payment also.
Hello, ma'am. Can I have a query, please?
Yes, sir.
So, can you suggest me the right prompt? Actually, while using ChatGPT, so we prepare the MCQs for a particular unit,
Okay.
multiple choice questions for a particular unit.
Okay.
So, this ChatGPT, if I suggest a prompt to ChatGPT, it can't able to process in complete Excel file. So even it has sent me the Excel file also, but there is some duplication of all the bits in the Excel file.
Yes, sir. It is subject to correction, sir. Actually, the content generated by Chat GPT is subject to correction. We have to verify it.
No, okay. Then after verification also.
Mm.
So if I if I attach one syllabus copy in the chat box and asking the chat GPT to generate the MCQs for the specified syllabus. So with some 50 MCQs from each unit with no duplication. So is my prompt is clear, or I need to modify anything?
See, let me show the example for the same subject. Shall I generate, sir?
Okay.
Yeah.
You can.
Questions for generate. Okay, let me give 20. Ask questions from each unit. Unit without duplication.
With no duplication.
See, it is generating, sir, but the only thing is we have to verify it manually because the question will not be in the same phase, but the answer may be same for two questions, right? That was your question, it seems.
Okay. See, if I given the prompt like this also, the answer that will be provided by the chart box will be in the only the chart form, but not in the Excel form. If even I suggested the chart that need a Excel file also. It is creating that. Can I continue in the chart box like this?
Yeah. Yeah, plain text or CSV format. Oh, we have to copy it. You are asking, you are not able to generate an Excel file, is it, sir?
Yes, yes. So like
Yeah.
this, the prompt is showing. If I suggest the prompt also, that is showing the same message. The Excel file is ready in the plain text, or if you want, I will post that in the chart box.
Yes,
From
sir.
the
You
chart
just
box,
post.
from the chart box, I'm copying the same table into the Excel. So my question is that ChatGPT itself can't able to create the Excel file.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is limited, sir. It is limited. Sometimes it is. See, when you see the PPT created by ChatGPT, that PPT consists of only text. There was no image. There were no images, right? There were no design templates. So ChatGPT is also limited, sir. If you want to upgrade to your latest version, you have to pay. You have to go for the next version. It is a free version, right? So you can use some other tools. So that I have shown you the Gamma app for creating a PPT, interactive PPTs. So for generating content only, you can use ChatGPT, sir. For importing document and all, I think it is upgrading itself because previously even the word was not created this much perfect. Now only the word is also created in a perfect way. So I think ChatGPT is upgrading itself.
So only it is compared to some instructions and some limitations.
Yes, yes, sir. Some limitations are there, sir. There are some limitations in ChatGPT. Not only in ChatGPT, in most of the AIs, there is a limitation. So we can make use of the things which is available free.
Okay, fine. Even
Yes.
after our prompt is very much clear also, conforming to the limitations the ChatGPT will provide.
Yes, sir. It is not a problem with the prompt. It is the problem with ChatGPT. There is no options available for it to generate a Excel directly. It can generate a content so that you can copy it and paste it in the Excel. Because we are using a free version, right? So that is the problem. There is no
session
problem
is
with
very
that.
useful, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Good morning, madam. I have a question with this connection of the MCQ.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can we generate a Google form from this MCQ directly using ChatGPT?
No, sir. You have to copy the questions and paste it in a Google form. You cannot directly create a Google form, sir. You can generate questions for a Google form. See, I want to export the questions to a Google form. See, it will give you the options available. See how you have to navigate to Google Forms, how you have to copy the contents. So it will redirect you to creation of Google Forms.
Okay.
Yes.
While using the Gemini, it is shown that the advanced version, by using the particular prompt, it is generating the Google form. I have experienced
in Gemini.
But the answer, Gemini, ma'am. Gemini.
Okay,
Hey.
okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm talking about ChatGPT. In ChatGPT basic version, there is no such option available, sir.
In the Gemini also, I have a constraint, but it is not automatically feeding the answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have to feed the answer.
Oh, okay. For that, any tools or something? Is there any tools for automatically feeding the answers?
Sir, as
So
of
that,
now, I don't know any tools because I'm just manually entering the answers in the Google form. If I come to know in the next session, I will explain it, sir.
sure, madam. Sure.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. I need one more clarity.
Yes, sir.
I'm using Claude AI,
Okay, sir.
Claude 4.0. Is there how you will compare ChatGPT versus Claude
Sorry, sir.
for
I didn't.
mathematics purpose?
Sorry, sir. I didn't compare it with Claude because, sir, whatever feature I need, I used to go for many different AI, sir. I don't ever stick on with ChatGPT because for diagrams I use some other AI. For questions, I use some other. For generating assessments, I use different AI. So I'm just suggesting you also don't stick on to a particular generative AI. So whatever the AI is available, you can make use of it, sir, to improve your answers.
Definitely, ma'am.
Yes,
Definitely.
sir. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was a
Thank
very
you.
informative session. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you very much,
Madam,
sir.
any particular
Ma'am,
kind
can I?
of AI tools that are there which are not being used for the teaching but would have been used for the teaching?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Any particular number or types of AI tools which are not being used for teaching but they are supposed to be used by teaching, according to you?
Tools.
Yeah, any tools which are not being
Ah.
used for modern methods of teaching
Hmm.
but are supposed to be used for teaching, according to you?
Mm, I have used this type of tools only, which are not used for teaching so far. I didn't
No, so
explore
far,
it.
but are supposed to be used.
Yeah, I have explored only teaching tools. Yeah, even you can use Collab, sir.
Collab,
Google
okay.
Collab. Collab is there.
Mm-hmm.
Collab is powered with the Gemini.
Yes, madam.
So you can use Google Colab for teaching every problem, sir, because it is dealing with Python codes. There is no need. If you permit some other session, I will demonstrate the Google Colab for teaching. So completely your laboratory sessions can be deal with the Google Colab. It is a very perfect tool.
But I think we have to write programming in that, no?
Yes, sir. You have to write programs, but you can write with the help of Gemini, sir. There is no need to
Okay.
write programs. You can generate codes with your prompt only.
Okay. Okay.
Even it will redirect you. So whatever the mistakes you have done, if even you have not uploaded your file properly, so it will generate every instruction to you to gauge from the starting, very basic to the advanced level. Google Colab will you can do your analytics in Google Colab very easily.
So that should have been used, correct?
Yes, sir. Google Colab can be used perfectly for teaching.
Okay. Okay. That's
Yes,
great,
sir.
madam. That's good.
Hello, ma'am. Can we
Yes, sir.
have
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
can we have a recording of the session, please? In the group?
Recording. I didn't record it, sir.
Okay.
So whether Oliver Publications have recorded it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
We are recording the
Yeah.
session. We will.
Okay. You can get it
So
from them, sir.
if possible, if you can post that in the group, we can able to recollect
Yes, you can give
the
the
session.
session recording to them, ma'am.
So we will provide in the
I don't
chat
stick
WhatsApp
on
group.
with the PPTs and all. I just want to
Interact.
interact with the participants with my demonstrations alone, so that I didn't prepare any PPT and I didn't share with you.
Okay, then no problem. But
Because
if any of the possible cases, then we can able to recollect the session completely, not completely, but what doubts we have, so we can
Yeah.
clear and clarify from the session. So that is the reason we have
Sorry, sir. You want to summarize me? You want me to summarize?
no, no, not a problem. If you have,
Mm.
Excuse me,
we
ma'am. Good
almost in the
afternoon.
Sorry,
session.
I'm not able to hear you because some noise is
Yeah,
there.
participants, please mute yourself.
Please, you can ask your questions one by one.
Excuse me, I wish
Hi,
to say one thing. The code.com is there to create Google Forms,
ma'am.
and using ChatGPT, you have to create a question with the answers,
Yes.
and then you can make use of the ChatGPT itself to create a Google Apps script that will give
Yes.
the code, and
Mm.
that can be used in the code to create our own Google Forms.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
With the answers, no need to give the question and answer and all.
Okay.
Just make use of this ChatGPT to create questions along with the answer,
Okay.
and create a Google app script code with the help of ChatGPT,
Okay,
and we
ma'am.
can make use of that script with the help of code.com, and we could create our own Google form. Or
Okay, okay.
otherwise, as you said, we can make use of the Google Shoot to complete the process.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I have learned it from
Thank you.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So I have discussed with you some of the tools. Let me summarize the tools. One is Chat GPT for searching contents, for retrieving some academic related informations using Chat GPT. And for drawing, I have shown you Mermaid. Please make a note, Mermaid, MERMAID, Mermaid tool. For PPT, for presentations, creation of presentations. So I've shown you Gamma app, Gamma, GAMMA, Gamma app. And we have discussed perplexity for research purpose or for a discussion of live topics. That is, real-time problems can be solved using perplexity. And Tilutu is one of the AI for research purpose. Tilutu, TLOOTO. This also can be used for research purpose, for research problem formulation or a solution extraction. Okay, or for literature survey, you can do literature surveys in Tilutu also. Okay. So thank you very much. Any
Thank you, madam.
feedbacks?
And we have missed the Google collab, madam. Your presentation was wonderful.
Oh,
And
thank you, sir.
my question is, Perplexity is not free, no? We have to subscribe for it.
Yes, yes, sir. It is free. So I have
It is,
used a free version only, sir. Yeah, I'm using a
but
free
there is a
version.
limit for that, no? It's.
Yes, sir. Every AI has its own limits, sir. But
Mm-hmm.
we can have multiple IDs, or we can log in with IDs with the same
Mm-hmm.
prompt to get different answers, a different set of papers.
Super. Okay, madam. Sure, we can do that.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Hello, good afternoon.
Thank
Hello,
you.
Yes,
good
sir.
afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
We can use this Tilutu and Perplexity for research purpose now. Can't we
Yes,
get
sir.
plagiarism, madam?
No, sir. You should
I will.
not copy the content as it is from the Tilutu or from Perplexity. You can have it as a reference. See, for finding a research problem is the difficult task, right? So it has found you the research problem. You have to reframe it. You have to humanize it. You have to humanize the contents. There are a
Okay.
lot of tools to humanize the contents. So we can discuss it in some other
Narayan garu.
FTP, sir. There is a lot
ఇంకా
of
వస్తున్నారు
tools
రండి.
Sure,
available to
madam. Sure.
humanize it. Yes, sir. Yes, you can found AI flag also online through some
ఆయన
AIs.
వేస్తారు కదా.
Okay, sure, madam. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you,
Thanks for the
ma'am.
clarity.
Thank you, thank you. Thanks for your feedback. I just want you to practice it. So I have learned from one ma'am, some ma'am has given some information. So I have also learned. This is just a knowledge sharing session. So
Better we
thanks to Oliver Publication. Yes, yes, sir.
better we come with 1 week FDP, madam, because all participants are eagerly waiting to discuss more content about
Sure, sir.
teaching
Sure,
and
sir.
learning.
We can have different sessions with
Yes,
different type of experts. We can have a lengthy presentation
yes,
because
lengthy
this is not
presentation.
a simple topic to
Yes, yes.
complete it with 1.5 hours, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
I just get so many calls and messages from all participants. They are
Okay,
eagerly
okay.
waiting for 1 week FDP. I think we will
Okay,
come
sir.
back
Sure,
with
sure.
deep
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
AI tools related of teaching and learning practices related things.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
very
madam. Just
much.
wait. Give me some time, madam.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. We will do it. So if there is no more question, shall we wind up?
Dear participants, if you have any questions regarding this,
No, sir.
all
Thank you.
participants, all participants go to chat box. Feedback is available in the chat box. Fill this chat box and wait for. We'll take a group pick. Please switch on your videos. And meanwhile, our HOD madam is going to log in, and we'll present something. We'll get some feedback about this workshop related things. So give me some time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So really, I want to thank Oliver Publications and KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology for this opportunity.
Yeah, it's
Because yes,
thank
sir.
you,
Thank you
thank
so
you so much
much.
for madam. In the small session, you are exploring more content regarding teaching and learning practices.
Yes,
And
sir. I
just
was a bit
give me 2 minutes
faster.
of time, madam. Our HOD madam is going to talk with something
Okay,
about
sir.
this.
No problem.
Yeah.
I was a bit faster because of the time constraint
Yes,
only,
yes,
sir.
I know, madam. I can understand.
Yes.
A lot of concerns are there here. Also, power problems, some
Yes,
other
sir. Yes,
problems.
sir.
There
Yes,
is a
sir.
major reason. Give me some time.
Yes, sir.
I would like to welcome Chandana ma'am for giving the vote of thanks.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Sorry to say this, I couldn't attend from starting onwards. I used it to log in and log out because of the network issue and all.
Oh, it's okay,
So,
ma'am.
yeah, thank you very much for conducting this, ma'am. It's
Thank you.
really, I have gone through some other topics that whatever you have explained, it was very useful to faculty nowadays where we are working with all the assessment process for the students and all.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
really, it is very useful and it is easy to connect to the students instead of saying traditional methods in the classroom and taking the assessment and getting done with the calculations and evaluations. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Actually, we are spending most of our time in this particular work, in the documentation work.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
This ChatGPT can reduce our work because we
Exactly.
can
Yes.
spend more of our teaching time to students.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly. Exactly.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Even I will I will submit my analysis to directly ChatGPT to give an assessment, and even where do we have one process that to identify slow and advanced medium learners in the classroom. So where I even sometimes we are having in the list of students also we cannot segregate and we cannot keep it the document ready. So at that time, I also to upload all the details and the marks. When I asked the ChatGPT to give a analysis part to segregate that slow, medium, advanced learners, it will give immediately. So
Yes.
it's really useful to us. Yes.
For that, you can use Collab, ma'am. Collab,
Yeah.
you can
Yes.
use
Yes.
Collab. It will generate a graph as well as you can do analytical parts completely in Collab. It will be
Okay.
perfect.
Okay. Fine, ma'am. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Sure, sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And Ganesh sir, thank you very much for taking part to start this program and the organizing this program. Thank you, Ganesh sir, from the department and as well as from the college also, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Really, I too want to thank you, ma'am, the KG Reddy College of Engineering, and Mr. Ganesh, the coordinator of this program. So really, thank you very much, sir.
And without HOD madam support, I can't work, madam.
Yes,
She's
of
always
course,
supporting me
Chandana
to
ma'am.
conduct
Thank
all
you
this
so
kind
much.
of.
Thank you, but it's
She's
not
always
like that.
encouraging.
Our faculty great to say that they'll do their works without means. See, even today also I was very busy with other meetings. So parallel meetings were going on. Still, he only took care of all the things and all. Even I thought to start the program, so I couldn't do that. But sir took the initiative and took all the things and all. Thank you, Ganesh sir.
Thank you very much, madam. And all the participants, please switch on your videos. I will take a group photo. And thank you so much, Parameshwari madam and Oliva Publications, and all the participants. Will get back a 1 week FDP with the AI related of teaching and learning practices. Thank you so much, and switch on your videos, please.
And thank you all the participants for being part of this workshop. So moving forward, ma'am, even we are planning to conduct one not virtual session, hands-on session. It is better to the faculty, like a direct session, physical session. Like in that way, we are planning. Definitely, we'll approach you, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Dear participant, please switch on your videos.
Lingam sir, you are here only.
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you so much, all the members.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Informative session, ma'am.
Thank you,
Please,
sir.
please fill the feedback in the chat box. The feedback is available in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will do so.
And don't leave from WhatsApp group.
Thank you, Ganesh sir.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.